This is the day every yacht builder looks forward to, that the project you've worked on touches the water with very careful steps. A beautiful moment.
She was built in the 50s and now reimagined. Welcome to Finding Mira.
This project is quite manageable, and for these young up-and-coming talents to work on such a yacht and be here on a day like this is great. We have a lot of different disciplines involved: engineers, woodworkers, painters. Everyone contributed in their own way. This is the third restoration we've done this way, and we're thinking about what the future will bring. First, we'll completely finish the Mira, and then we'll take the next steps.
Mira gaat afgebouwd worden.
When the Mira is finished, it's possible that we might take her to our office in America and show her there. That would also be very nice because the original express cruisers were built to be exported to America, and most of them were sent there. So if the Mira goes to America, the story will come full circle.
Echt heel trots. En of ze nou groot zijn,
I'm very proud. Whether they are large or small, every yacht that was built with passion and love is a Feadship. And we achieved that through the power of collaboration.